Hey, okay, so I'm totally using the quick capture feature on YouTube for the first time, and a friend of mine used, I think she used it on this, and her audio was all jacked up. It was like a 5 second delay between her lips moving and the audio. So if you're watching this video right now, I wonder if it totally is like that. But I see my lips moving as I talk, and it matches my voice in my head, of course. So, obviously this thing must work. Well, it works as far as I can tell. Shit. Um, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I recorded a video earlier where I was talking about the beginning or the center of the universe and the beginning of it, like the Big Bang and all that stuff. And I realized when I was watching the universe, the show, the universe, they were talking about the Big Bang and how everything exploded, billions of years ago and became the universe. I thought, well, when they're talking about an explosion, they're not talking about any kind of explosion like, it's not like a really big explosion. It's the biggest explosion. Like for the explosion to become big, it would take thousands of years, or millions of years, billions of years for it to just become big. I mean, for the first million years of the actual explosion itself, the explosion wasn't even an explosion. It was just a still bigger and bigger mass of solid material, right? That's all it was. I mean, there couldn't have been any flames or anything. I mean, it was just material that was being flung outward from the center of the universe at the speed of light or so. And it was, I mean, it wouldn't have looked like a very large explosion like a supernova, or, I mean, it wouldn't, I mean, if you could see it happen, it wouldn't look anything like anything that we've ever seen. I mean, it would be matter, like picture matter, like all matter, like just a gray sphere, right? Like a gray ball of nothing, right? Just like a bowling ball, right? That's everything in the universe, right? Now imagine it exploding exactly from the center at the speed of light, and you were able to watch it explode and see it get bigger. It wouldn't be like it wouldn't be an explosion like what we've ever seen. It seemed like it would just be inflating, right? And it would just be like blowing up, like a bubble getting bigger and bigger, but at the speed of light, huge, right? And but for the first 1,000 or so years of that explosion, or million years, it would still be basically solid, even at the very core, I would think, right? Because I mean, all the matter in the universe is there still, right? So how's that work? It's not computing with me. I mean, I understand the idea. Like, oh yeah, everything was at one point a long time ago, and now everything is flung far away from everything else. But dude, what about when everything was all in one spot? Like, I can't even picture what that would be like. Just a really dense ball of just really, really hot material, not even atoms. Just, just the whatever it would be. It would have to be almost liquid, but it would be because it would be extremely hot, I would guess, right? But it would be so dense that it couldn't be a liquid. So it would be an extremely dense, hard liquid that couldn't, that isn't like anything that exists right now. Wow. Ideas about the universe are badass. Like if you really start thinking about the universe, you can go crazy. I mean, you could, I mean, go crazy in a good way, or you can go crazy. You can just go crazy. Like just go on and on about one topic or another.